Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 45 class where we are going to discuss lead auto response rules and lead conversion process. Right? So in the previous class we have covered what is the lead, right? And how we are going to assign the lead assignment rules are there, right? By using the queues we are going to assign. So all these things we have completed. So today, once the lead has been created in the system, right? So that it may be after sales qualified lead. Now it should be converted to opportunity, right? So whenever the lead is created inside the system, he needs the person, whoever the lead person is there, right? So he should get immediate acknowledgement, uh, right? For suppose I am interested in order to purchase a product. Right. So yesterday I have shown to you one Royal Enfield page in the Web2 lead form. So I have showed you some Royal Enfield enquiry form. So when I submitted the enquiry form, immediately one email is receiving to me. That is acknowledging that. So thank you for your interest in our product. So soon our sales representative will connect with you shortly. So that we will feel some happy, right? So, okay, someone has replied to me. Okay, this is what some acknowledgement is there after inquiring this. So sales representative or some contact information. So in order to directly contact with that particular showroom, so showroom contact details. So all these details are there in that acknowledgement form. Now you got it right. What is this lead response rules, auto response rules? So no need to go individual lead and send auto response to individual person. So lead auto response rules in Salesforce mainly designed in order to automate the process of responding to the leads. Responding to the leads. Whenever lead is created, one responding email is sent back to the particular lead. So whenever the lead is created, I'm saying that not updated. So it will work only on the created. Whenever lead is created, right? So mainly these auto response rules, like in order to enable the acknowledgement, right? Organization with what from whatever the organization it may be. So these rules enable organizations like promptly acknowledge, right? Promptly acknowledge, right? And we are going to engage with the potential customers who are showing interest in our products or services. What is the primary goal of this auto response rule? So it is mainly used to ensure that the lead must and should lead, what is that? Require timely and personalized response. I can say communication, right? Personalized communication. This is what we are going to create. Whenever lead is created in the system, we are going to acknowledge that particular lead. So what is the primary goal here? In order to ensure that the lead require timely and personalized communication. Right? For this, we require a normal template, right? So we know how to create a template. So for time being, I have created one template. Let me show you here. Go back to our Salesforce. Go to our classic email templates. Yeah, see here, lead auto response template. So let me open this lead auto response template. You can see here, see, thank you for your interest. This is the lead name. Thank you for your interest, so and so person. So we are thrilled to hear about your interest in our services. So this is what we have designed. So here is some contact information is there. So this is the company name Salesforce and the contact phone number. This is the website. Right? If you want to reply to this mail, immediately if you click on this button, it is going to reply to this email. Right? So whatever the reply to in this background button, so whatever the email ID which you have provided, right? So let me check what is the email ID which I have provided. So I have given my edit HTML version. I have provided my email ID. If you see here, come down. Yeah, see here www.salesforce.com. What is the reply to email ID? See. Come down. See, sftrainingbatch@gmail.com. This is the reply to button. Okay, when I click on this button, reply to this email button, right? This is the button. So immediately reply to will be sent to this sftrainingbatch@gmail.com. If you want to add any website directly, if you click here, so add one more button, like click here. So immediately it will redirect you to some other company websites like that. Okay. So this is what the email template which I have created. So you know how to create email templates, right? So if you preview this, see, this is the email template, right? Auto response email template. Whenever the lead is created inside the system, right? There is a small use case for us. So for example, if the lead annual revenue is greater than, let us say, around 1 lakh, right? That means he is a very important lead to us. So I need to send immediate auto response email to him. Okay. So how do I create this auto response rules and rule criteria, and how to add this auto response email template? Okay. So let us see in detail. Close this. Search for here lead auto response. See here lead. See auto response. See. So lead assignment is completed. Lead auto response. So as of now, no. Create this auto response rules. Let me give some standard. Okay, let me make it as active. This is the auto response. Done, completed. So open this, come down, see rule criteria. It's the same. Whatever we have done in the auto assignment rule, there we are going to assign it. Here we are going to create auto response. When this auto response email should be sent. So come to this is the sort order one. Same process which we have done in the assignment rule. Right. So what is the criteria? Let me add here annual revenue is greater than, let us say, some 1 lakh. Okay, now come down. See, specify the name and address to include the auto response message. This is the very important one here. So specifies the name and address to include. That means whenever the email is whenever you're receiving an email, what is the name? Salesforce webinar. See here, so Salesforce webinars, some name, right? Here some me. Here flow application, whatever the name you want to display it here. So let me display here like CEO at the rate Salesforce. Okay. So email address, see the sender email address must be verified in the OWD, in the organization wide default email address. So it should be verified, or the email address of your Salesforce user profile. So under my, this is the email address which I have provided my under my user profile, right? Let me add this here. Okay. Now select the email template to use. Which email template I need to use it here? Okay. So auto response rule email template, which is a mandatory. Okay. So select the email template. Select it. Okay. So now under this folder, auto response template is there. Just select this. Done. Click on save. So this is what email auto response. Lead auto. Whenever lead is created in the system, this the auto response email is going to send. Right? Auto response rule will work only on the created from web to lead. Whenever we are creating from the web to lead option is there, right? So let me create one web to lead option. Go to this web to lead. See, default response template. What will be the default response template? Just edit this. So default response template. See here, use lead auto response rules to select a different email response template. Right, based on the attributes which you are providing here. If you want to select another response template as you by default. So if the assign auto response rule is not matching, so by default some email template should be received, right? To receive, right? The same way here also we are going to send default response template. In the auto response template, if the rule criteria, that means annual revenue is greater than 1 lakh, then only the particular email is going to send. But here, if the criteria is not matching, let us say the annual revenue is less than 1 lakh, right? Then also I need to get the some template, right? Then you should create one more email template, right? Create one more email template which is less than 1 lakh. So then you can add that particular email template. For time being, I am adding the same email template here also. Lead auto response template. Okay. Click on save. Done. Completed. So now create one web2 form here. Just add annual revenue and that's it. Okay. Return URL may be salesforce.com. Removing this, generate, copy, go back to our notepad, delete, paste it. Okay, save it. Then annual revenue. This is one extra point I have added here. Annual revenue. Now go back to our web2 lead form. This is the web2 lead form is there, right? Just open this. Done. Right? First name, this is lead auto response test record. Okay, auto response test record. Email, let me give some SF training batch, company as some Salesforce, city as Hyderabad. Okay, annual revenue some 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, click on submit. Done. See here it is redirected to Salesforce page. Now open your Salesforce, log into your lead, open the lead. Okay, let me check. Lead auto response, all open leads. See here. Lead auto response test record. Got it right? So let me check my email. See, I got the email. Thank you for your interest. Right? So see, what is the name he displaying here? CEO at Salesforce. This is the name which I have provided. Right? CEO at Salesforce name. Okay. Come down. See, thank you for your interest. Lead auto response test record. This is the name which I have given for the lead. This is the name which I have given under the auto response. Okay, so these are the some message and next step reply to this mail. If you click on this reply to this mail, it will redirect to your reply mail and this is the website and Salesforce 040 some phone number. Okay, so this is the way you need to do it. Auto response rule, lead auto response rule working. Hope you understand, right? So like this, you need to create one default email template, default auto response template and auto response rules. If you are creating, if you are satisfying any rule, right? If there is any rule criteria satisfied, then also you can create one more template, right? Both the templates, auto response templates. If you add, then I can receive the email. This is the subject. Thank you for your interest. Okay. Whenever I have submitted the web to lead inquiry form from the website, when I have submitted web to lead inquiry form, immediately I will get this type of notification. Okay, thank you for your interest, so and so. Okay, now coming to our next topic, what is the lead conversion process? Now the lead has been created, right? Now the lead has been created and the lead has been assigned, right? Assigned during using auto assignment rules and the auto response is also completed, right? So let me add this here. So lead is created in the system. Now, this lead is also sales qualified lead. That means sales qualified lead is verified. That means the particular lead has taken some demo from the sales representative and he is satisfied with the demo. Now he is interested not to purchase a product. Then this particular lead should be converted. Convert this lead. Then he is no more lead, right? So then he should be converted as account. His contact details to be stored in contact, right? And opportunity, whatever the opportunity which you are providing, opportunity. Up to here, this is known as lead conversion process. This is lead conversion process. The starting of the classes we have discussed, but now we are going to practice it, right? So there is a one more question you will get. What is the sales process? How the sales process is different from the lead process? This is the lead process, right? Now the sales process coming to the picture. From here, sales process coming into the picture. So whatever the opportunity which you are provided to the customer, like for example, I have provided some discount and he's accepted, right? What is the probability of winning the chances of this customer? What is the probability of losing the chances? What is the status? Right? So based on that, I am going to create a quotation, create a quote inside the Salesforce. There is a quote, one object is the standard object. So we are going to create a quotation that he is going to purchase our product. So yesterday I have shown you Royal Enfield bike inquiry form, right? So now I am interested to purchase that bike. That bike. Now the sales representative will send me the quotation. You will ask for a quotation, right? What is the price of that particular bike? Send me the complete quotation details, all these things. So what is the warranty? All these details will be there in this quotation. Now, if this quote is accepted, right? Now this quotation is accepted. Then immediately the customer will place an order. That order, nothing but create an order inside the Salesforce. So order is a standard Salesforce object. So where we are going to place an order inside the Salesforce. Right? So based on this order, now I'm going to generate invoice. After purchasing the bike, you will get invoice, right? So we are going to create invoice inside the system, inside the Salesforce. Create invoice. So after creating of the order only, we are getting the invoice, right? So invoice, we are generating the invoice. Then we can going to generate the proceed to the payment. Proceed the payment. Right? This is what sales process looks. Right? This is about sales process and this is about lead conversion process, lead process. Hope you understand between these two, differences between these two. Right? So whenever the business asks you what is the main difference between the lead process and the sales process, you need to tell these things. Okay? Lead to sales qualified lead and then it is converted to account contacted opportunity. That's it, done. Now the sales process, we are going to create a quote. If the quote is accepted, we are going to create an order and then we are going to create an invoice and then payment is processed. This is what sales process is. Right? So let me show you how the lead is converted inside the system. So now go back to our open leads, open any one of the open leads. Let's say Phyllis Cotton is there. Okay. So now, so this particular lead is open, not contacted. Okay. Let me, after staging, after qualifying all this working, contacted, qualified, market qualified. So let me mark as current status. Now he is market qualified, right? Status is changed successfully. Now I'm going to convert this particular lead. Right, he is market qualified and they also say you can add one more status as a sales qualified, so mark as current status, so this will be sales qualified. Right, now what is the next step here? So now he is the sales qualified person. That means you have showed some demo to the person, you have contacted and he is ready to purchase. So now I am going to create a custom account, contact and opportunity. So click on this converted button, select converted status, click on the select converted status. See here. So if you want to create a new account or if you want to choose an existing account, right? So now I am going to create a new account about insurance. This is the name which see here. This is the name which is there inside the particular lead, right? So how these particular details are going to map. So I will show you how these details are mapping. So for example, if there is a custom field, so how I am going to map that custom field? Let me show you all this. So let me convert this. See account name, create a new account with the account name. If you want to select any record type, so by default it is taking new customer record type. Now come down, contact, fill is contact, right? Create new opportunity. So if you want to create a new opportunity, there is a one option here. So if you don't want to create an opportunity, just creating an account, then it is fine. So this is an optional. Creating an opportunity is an optional, right? Who is the record owner here? Dhanraj admin is the record owner. So now this particular status, the lead status will after conversion, the lead status will be closed and it is converted. Okay, see there is an option closed, converted. So when you are going to convert this particular lead to account, contact and opportunity, so the lead status will get closed and showing as converted. Converted. See, your lead has been converted. Done. This is the way you need to convert the lead process. See, account, contact, and opportunity. Open this opportunity. Open this account. Okay, if you see here, you come down. See here, opportunity owner. So opportunity name, right? Account name. So all these details. So if we have added on contact also, see contact roles. So this is the opportunity contact role, junction object. So opportunity contact roles is created, Phillips Cotton. So probability is 10% only, stage is prospecting. So all these details are coming here. So closed date. So it is going to take of the financial year end date. Right? Whatever is the closing financial year, the end date is it is going to take. How the details are, all these details are coming. How we know that each field is mapping to which one. So if you see here, account name is mapped to about insurance, all these details. Right? Let me show you here. Okay. Salesforce lead conversion mapping. Okay. Open this. Open this. Now come down, see here. See, in the lead field, this is a lead address field. It is going to map with the account object billing address, person account, and contact object mailing address. Like the same way, annual revenue. See, account object annual revenue, campaign, right? City. So city is account billing city, person account company. So in the lead object, there is a company field, right? So it is going to convert it as account name, contact account, opportunity name, and account name. Okay, like this way it is going to map. If you see here for this is the lead, right? Where is the lead? Close this. Where is the lead? Let me open. About insurance. Copy. So this is the lead. Open this lead. This is the SOQL query, which I will tell you in the coming classes. Okay. Now come down. See here. What is the company name here? About insurance. Right? So there is no path because it is completed. The detail is completed. Okay. So now see here, the company name is About Insurance. So now come here. What is the company? It should be transferred to account name. Go to our account. See here, account name is what? About Insurance. In the lead object, whatever the company field is there, it is going to convert it as account name. Like the same way, go to your opportunity. Yeah, this is the opportunity, right? Opportunity name and the account name. See here, on the opportunity object, opportunity name and the account name, like this: country, country code, description, email, fax, like first name. See, first name is converted to contact first name, right? Industry, account industry. Last name is converted to contact last name. All these details: lead owner as account owner, contact owner, opportunity owner. So like this you can search in this website. Okay. Lead conversion mapping is there in the help document. Is a Salesforce help document. There you can find how the standard fields are mapped. But what about the custom fields? You're getting one doubt, right? So you have shown me the standard fields, how they are mapping. That okay, I got the information. But what about the custom fields? If there is a, let us say, custom field is there. So custom pick list field or custom some field is there. So mainly you need to map with the exact data type, right? Keep in mind that. So whenever you have created any lead field, so let me create one new lead field here. So whatever the data type you have created, that must match with the data type of contact, account, and opportunity fields. right? Except for the pick list. For the pick list, there is a two options. You can add it as a text and or else you can add it as a pick list. For the remaining one, if the data type is as a number in the lead, so it should be number in the account and contact. So if it is a boolean, if it is a currency, if it is anything text, so all these fields should be same. That should match with the data type of contact, account, and opportunity. Okay. So let me add one small pick list here. Pick list. Next, let me add some region. This is a custom field. How this custom field is going to match? Um, APAC region. What are there? ER region, AMEA region. What is that? Canada region. Okay. Like this, I'm going to add. Now click on next and save. Okay. Visible. Next. Save it. Done. Completed. So go to this particular lead. Go to any one of the lead. Yeah. See here. This region field is added here. Okay. So region field is added. Just open this. Open the pick list. See here. APAC, EMEA, some regions are there. So now this is a custom field, right? So this is the custom field. Okay. Just cancel this. This is a custom field. How we are going to map this custom field? So the standard field just I have shown to you. So how the standard fields are mapped to the from the lead object to the account, contact, and opportunity. But how the custom fields are going to map? Right? Go to the lead object. So go to the fields and relationship. Here map lead fields one option is there, right? Just click on this map lead fields. Right? See, like this, here are the here are the options. Whatever the custom fields are there, so all the custom fields will display it here. Now you can map this lead fields to account, contact, and opportunity. See, lead fields and account fields. Now come here. This is the region custom field. So it should map with which field? I have not created any field here under the account. So let me create quickly. Open the object manager. The same fields, copy and paste it. So let me add in one of the object, account, fields and relationship. Okay, let me add a new field, pick list field, the same data type, or for the pick list, we're having two options, pick list or text we can add. So let me add this two here. So region, okay, enter the values. Yeah. Come down, click on next and save. Next, next, and save it. Go to the contact object. Okay, so contact, fields and relation, new. Here I am going to create one text field. Okay, let me create one text field which shows the region. Okay, let me add here region. Okay, so length as some 255 characters. Click on next and save. Next and save it. Now go to your opportunity. Okay, fields and relationship. Click on new. Come down, add some pick list. Click on next. Region. Okay. Okay. Click on next and save. That's completed. Now go to your lead object again. So lead. Okay. So go to the lead object, fields and relationship, map lead fields is there, right? So map lead fields. So from the lead fields, region field should map with the account field of region Like this, you are going to map. Okay, coming to this contact, region field should map with the region. This is the region text. This is the pick list value. Okay, now for the opportunity, region should map with the, where is this region? Okay, pick list, even this is also here, pick list I have added. Just click on save, done, completed. Just check once whether it is saved or not. Map lead fields. Here you can check once again. See, lead region field is mapped with the account region. Go for contact. Lead contact region field is mapped with the contact region. Go for opportunity. Lead region is mapped with the opportunity region. Okay. Now go to any one of the lead. So Mike Broad is there. Just he is a qualified lead. Okay. Let me add some region here. Okay. Save it. Okay, mark as current status. So he's a qualified lead now. Now just click on this converted. Okay. So just convert this particular lead. Okay, contact opportunity. Now create convert button. Done. Completed. See, your lead has been converted. Just check this account, contact, and opportunity whether our custom field has been updated or not. Right? Custom field is mapped or not. Check this. Go to the details. Come down. Where is the region? See, region automatically mapped, right? So account object is successful. Lead region is mapped with the account region. Now go back to contact. So under the contact also see here. Here is the region. Yeah, see here. Lead, it is a text field, not as a pick list here. So lead region is mapped with the contact region. Like the same way and for the opportunity also see. So see. Opportunity region. Lead region field is mapped with the opportunity region field. This is the way we need to map the custom fields, and as usual standard fields will map according to this sheet. Okay, hope you understand, right? So if you are having any doubts at any point of time, just mention in the comments. I'm going to respond to those comments. Okay. So keep following this channel for the latest updates. Thank you.